Hello, good day. Today is another video on our immune pack booster, and today we'll be talking about zinc and why zinc is in every antiviral treatment protocol right now for COVID-19. You probably can see that people take antiviral medication, and also they take vitamin D and zinc. So D we covered in a previous video, and today we'll be talking about zinc. What is zinc and how does it affect your immune system? And because it doesn't affect only immune system, it affects so many other biochemical reactions in the body. So zinc is a mineral and an antioxidant, and it is important to your body in a variety of different ways. However, importance of it to support the immune system was discovered only 40 years ago, and since that time there have been numerous studies on zinc and how it is important to heal the body from infections and inflammations. So your body needs zinc to make DNA. Actually, your genes are reliant on zinc. So it makes DNA, your genetic material. Then it keeps your immune system healthy. It helps your body to repair. It creates and balances hormones. It participates in creation, and it definitely balances hormones. And on the DNA level, it also participates in gene activation to produce anti-inflammatory factors and anti-cancer activity of genetics. So the zinc's ability to function as an antioxidant suggests that it can prevent free radical-induced damage during inflammatory processes. And several studies have shown the benefits of a zinc supplementation during infectious diseases, and it reduces the incidence of infections as well. So you already see how important it is, because there have been so many well-documented studies about zinc supplementation specifically to lower the oxidative stress and damage to the body because of that. So it is essential for your immune system. Zinc is also very important to maintain adequate hormone levels such as testosterone and prolactin and growth factors. It directly participates in the production of testosterone, in biochemical reactions related to sex hormones. And as an example, zinc deficiency causes decreased testosterone level, reduced libido, and it also may reduce a sense of smell. And now I can see in COVID-19 infections, people lose sense of smell, so can be some correlation there as well. It directly affects your natural killer cells ability, the cells that actually go and fight pathogens. And when this cell level decreases, if you are deficient in zinc, you become prone to infections, such as like acute and chronic infections and other very unpleasant situations and conditions that can be a result of this increased ability for inflammation. I really like zinc to give patients who have some cognitive function impairment, like bad memory, like impaired memory, bad mood, because it plays a role in cognitive function, plays a role in a weight loss, and to maintain lean body mass. It also activates receptors that allow calcium absorptions within the cell. So it also protects you from osteoporosis and bone loss. So how can you test zinc levels in your blood? Because it is so crucial for DNA production and repair, we need to measure it accurately inside white blood cells, so intracellular level, instead of a regular blood test. Because this kind of a test will give us functional levels of zinc that participates in so many biochemical reactions. I run such a test when I see hormonal imbalances in my patients, and I almost always detect zinc deficiency. But you don't have to wait for your hormones to be imbalanced. It's much better to be proactive and measure your zinc levels before that. What can cause zinc deficiency? First and foremost, digestive disorders. Digestive disorders can cause many vitamins and nutrient deficiencies because your intestinal lining is impaired. But what kind of a digestive disorders are ulcers, Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, and things like this, because it decreases amount of zinc that your body absorbs. Being vegetarian or vegan also can affect that and to decrease the zinc concentration in the blood, because meat contains more zinc than beans and nuts. And alcoholic beverages also reduce the amount of zinc that your body can absorb. So you can ask how to increase zinc levels in your body. You can increase it through food and also through supplementation. And I recommend first testing your levels so to know how much you need to increase zinc concentration. There are also different formulations of zinc for many purposes. So we're going to talk about nutrition later. I want to share with you different formulations of zinc because my patients and friends ask me, what is the difference between such a form of zinc or another? So you can use zinc lozenges and nasal sprays when you have symptoms of cold. It helps your body to fight acute infections and to be very bioavailable through your saliva. This is why lozenges and sprays work so well. Then zinc sulfate is the least expensive form. However, it can cause stomach inflammation, and it also not as absorbed as other types of zinc. So zinc picolinate, zinc citrate, and zinc glycerate are the most common forms, and they don't cause stomach irritation as zinc sulfate does. And another form of zinc, a specialized one, is a zinc carnisin. It's a combination of zinc and L-carnisin. It also helps your immune system. However, it also has a gut repair function. So it supports the integrity of gut health and offers digestive benefits. It promotes repair in the case of ulcers and intestinal injury. And it also, again, promotes immune support specifically, also not only overall, but also on the level of your gut. Now, I would like to share the nutritional sources of zinc, so you have that option as well. And which foods are rich in zinc? First, I got to tell you that your body absorbs about from 20 to 40% of the zinc present in food. So when you see foods content of zinc, you gotta know how much your body will actually absorb. The best source of zinc are oysters. However, not everybody likes oysters, and not everybody can eat so many oysters through the day in everyday diet. The next source is red meat, shellfish such as crabs, lobsters, and also dairy products. There is a little challenge, big challenge for our vegetarians and vegans to include it in their diet. And if you are a vegetarian or vegan, then you can resolve to having beans, nuts, fortified grains, tofu, brewer's yeast, and so on. It also provides some zinc, not such a readily available, but does it. So how to take zinc? How much zinc to take? Again, determined of how deficient you are. And the general recommendation, it's not for you, but generally, it's about 15 milligrams is recommended. But during viral infection, I recommend my patients to increase their zinc supplementation. But like anything else, you should take precautions because everything taking in excess can harm you. So you have to be careful. And to avoid stomach irritations, you should take zinc with food. So that is all about zinc that I would like to share with you today. Ask me questions in comments. Also, please subscribe to my channel, like the videos, and I provide the specific nutritional consultations and to help you streamline and customize your food intake, your nutrition, and your supplementation. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next video. Have a good day.